Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to receive your payout from Whop in 2025. Quick, easy, and safe. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for an updated method, this guide has you covered. First, log into your Whop account using your username and password. Once you're on the home page, head to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. From there, select Balance. This is where all your earnings and payouts will be managed. Don't worry if your balance shows zero at first. It's completely normal, especially if this is a fresh account. Before you can receive any money, Whop requires account verification. This is a crucial step to ensure your account is secure and your payout goes smoothly. You'll need to enter basic details like your full name, business type, date of birth, country, and address. After that, you'll provide documents to verify this information. Simple stuff like an ID or business certificate. Next, make sure your email address is active and accessible, as this will be linked to your payout method. You'll also confirm or create your password for extra security. Once all your information is verified, you can add a payment method. This could be your bank account, PayPal, or another supported option. After linking it, your payouts are ready to be requested. And that's it. With your account verified and payment method set, receiving your Whop payout is straightforward and hassle-free. No more confusion, no more waiting. You're ready to access your earnings anytime. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.